here to present a thought for the day. Today's thought is, we don't remember days, we remember moments. I repeat my thought. We don't remember days, we remember moments. It means we should not worry about the days passed in life. Instead, we should put more focus on creating beautiful moments. Because in future, we will only remember moments, not days. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Have a nice